My dear students, welcome back to my class. See, my dear students, in the last class we have learned about what is the straight line, what is the line segment, and the definition of a what? Ray, angle, and types of angles, and we have solved exercise 4.1. Now our topic is pairs of angles. You know, my dear students, complementary angles means what? Pairs of angles. The first topic is complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Complementary angles means the sum of the angles is 90 degrees, then such angles are called complementary. See, for example, 70 plus 20, this is equal to 90 degrees. 81 plus 9 degrees, 9. So they are complementary. Sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degrees, then they are called complementary. What are supplementary angles, my dear students? Supplementary means the sum of the two angles is supplementary. Supplementary angles means the sum of two angles is 180 degrees. That means 100 degrees plus 80 degrees. So this is 180. 170 plus 10. This is 180 degrees. Like that, my dear students. Supplementary means 180. Complementary means 90 degrees. The next topic is, my dear students, adjacent angles. In the pair of angles, adjacent angles. Adjacent means, see, my dear students, here, just observe here, A, O, B, C. In this figure, this angle AOB and angle COD, both the angles have the common vertex here. So they are called adjacent angles. The common vertex, both the angles have the common vertex. So such angles are called adjacent angles. Adjacent. See, my dear students, here it is one angle AOB, but there is another angle here. This is some CO, not O, DE. Here these two angles are not adjacent. Why? They have no common vertex. If the angles have a common R nor a common vertex, are called adjacent angles. Okay, another topic here is linear pair. Linear pair means what, my dear students? Here, if two adjacent angles, their sum is equal to 180 degrees means, then those angles are called a linear pair. So linear pair, the next topic is linear pair. Linear pair means there are two adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means they have a common vertex, and the two adjacent angles, their sum is equal to 180 degrees means they are called linear pair. See, for example, here is 1, here is 2. So here angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. Moreover, these two angles are adjacent angles. So linear pair means the sum of the two adjacent angles is 180 degrees. Then such angles are called linear pair. The next one is, we have already learned about the intersecting lines, my dear students. Okay. The next topic here is exercise 4.2. We will solve exercise 4.2. So what did we learn in the pair of angles? Complementary angles, that means the sum of the two angles is 90 degrees. They are called complementary. And the second one is supplementary, that means the sum of the two angles is 180 degrees. They are called supplementary angles. And adjacent angles means if two angles have a common vertex, not a common arm, they are called adjacent angles. See, here is one angle, here is one angle, they are not adjacent. Adjacent means it must have the common vertex. Linear pair means the sum of the adjacent angles gives 180 degrees, that means supplementary. Then the two angles are called linear pair. Linear pair. Okay, now coming to the exercise 4.2, my dear students. Exercise 4.2. In the given figure, three lines A, B, C, D and EF. EF is a line and AB is another line EF is another line, and the next one is CD. CD is another line. Three lines intersecting at one point, that is O. So what can you say about these three lines? In the last class I have told you, concurrent lines. Three or more lines passing through the same point are called concurrent lines. Here, this angle is given here, y degrees, and this is z degrees, and this angle is x degrees. Here, my dear students, what do we have to find? Find the values of x, y, z, but the ratio is given here. X is to y is to z is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5. This x is to y is to z is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, my dear student. Just have a look here. These two angles are called vertically opposite angles. That means if two angles are intersected, that means they have a common point. Then the opposite, these two are opposite angles, no? They are called vertically opposite angles. If it is some 50 degrees means it is also 50 degrees. It is 50 means this is what? 130, and this is also 130. 130, 130. They are vertically opposite angles. This sum is equal to 180. Why? They are linear pair. Linear pair means the sum of the two adjacent angles is 180 degrees. Okay, leave it, my dear students. Now coming to here, this is x degrees means this is also x degrees. Why? What is the reason? They are vertically opposite angles. That means this x plus y plus z, it forms a straight line. Straight line. So the angle is 180 degrees. So here this CD is a straight line. Therefore, angle x plus angle y plus angle z, it is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Since it is a straight line, straight angle. Straight angle means, as I told you in the last class, the angle is 180 degrees. It is exactly equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Here, the ratio of their angles are given. 2 is to 3 is to 5. That means angle x is equal to 2 by, before we write sum of the ratio also. Sum of the ratio. What is the sum of the ratio? 2 plus 3 plus 5. That is equal to 10. Let us find the first angle. That is angle x. That means 2 by 10 into 180. So 0, 0 cancel. 2 18s are 36 degrees. Next, angle y is equal to 3 by 10 into 180 degrees. So 0, 0 get cancelled. 3 18s are 54 degrees. Now coming to the angle z, my dear students, here, this is 5 by 10 into 180 degrees. So here this is how many times? 0, 0 get cancelled. 18 times 5 is 90 degrees. Right. So let us verify now here. 36 plus 54 is 90. 90 plus 90 is 180 degrees. Okay. Did you understand, my dear students? This first sum. Now coming to the second sum, my dear students, here. Just give, I will give time. Just 30 seconds. Please write down. Okay. Now coming to the second question, there are 4 sums here in the second sum. Find the value of x in the following figures. But I will teach you that first and fourth sum for you, or second and fourth sum, whatever it may be. All the sums are easy only. Second sum is like this. Here this is A, B, C. There are 3 rays, OA, OB and OC. Here this is x minus 24 degrees and this is 29 degrees and this is 296 degrees. Right. We have to find the value of x. And coming to the fourth question here, there are 2 perpendicular lines here. They are intersecting at O. So this is A and this is B. Here there is a line which is passing through the both rays OA and OB, OA and OC. Here it is given 40 degrees. This is 6x plus 2 degrees. Right, my dear students. Here also we have to find value of x here. Value of x. Okay. Now coming to the second question, you do the remaining two sums homework. If I teach all the sums, then what? What is your job? You have to practice, no, my dear students. So please practice. Okay, here the total angle is here 360 degrees, circular angle. The total circular angle is 360 degrees. Circular angle is 360 degrees. So that means x minus 24 plus 29 plus 296, this is equal to 360 degrees. X minus 24 plus 29 plus 296, that is equal to 360 degrees. So from this, my dear students, x plus minus 24 plus 29 is plus 5. Minus 24 plus 29 is 5. Why? 29 minus 24 is 5. So 5 plus 296 is 301. So that is equal to 360 degrees. So this is implies x is equal to 360 minus 301. So this is implies x is equal to 360 minus 301 is 59 degrees. So what is the value of x, my dear students? 59 degrees. Coming to the fourth question here, this 40 plus 6x plus 2, this angle is 90 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees. The angle between x-axis and y-axis, like x-axis and y-axis. Okay, here this is 40 degrees plus 6x plus 2 is equal to 90 degrees. So 40 plus 2 is 42. 6x plus 42 is equal to 90. So 6x is equal to 90 minus 42. So 6x is equal to 48. Can you see here? 6x is equal to 48. So x is equal to 48 by 6, that is equal to 8 6 are 48. Therefore the value of x is 8. X is equal to 8. Okay. Now my dear students, coming to the third question here. Did you understand, my dear students? Okay. Now coming to the third question here. In the given figure, AB is a straight line and the CD is another straight line which intersecting this AB at O. AB and CD intersect at O, right? Very good. And angle AOC plus angle BOE, that means here OE is a ray here given, right? So this is 40 degrees. Let me read out. AB and CD are two straight lines intersect at O. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degrees. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degrees. And angle BOD is equal to 40 degrees. Angle BOD is 40 degrees. Find angle BOE and reflex of angle COE. Angle BOD, find angle BOE and reflex of angle COE. Reflex of angle COE. Look here, my dear students. See here, my dear students. What is given? Angle AOC plus angle BOE. AOC plus BOE. Where is E? Angle BOE. Yeah, this is E. These two angles are given. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is given. Now coming to the solution, This angle DOB is given. Angle BOD is equal to 40 degrees. But I will write this angle BOD and angle AOC are equal. They are reflex angles. Sorry, vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, this angle is also 40 degrees. Okay, my dear students. Now here, this angle AOC plus angle BOE is 70 means angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degrees means what is angle AOC? 40. So 40 degrees plus angle BOE is equal to 70. Therefore, angle BOE is equal to 70 minus 40, that is equal to 30 degrees. So this angle BOE is 30 degrees, right? Now we have to find angle COE also. Not angle COE exactly. I have to change the ink, pen, right? Angle COE means, how do you find this angle COE? COE. Angle COE. Angle COE, this total angle is AB is a straight line now, my dear students. This is 40, this is 30, this is COE. The sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degrees. That means I will write here angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE. It is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle AOC is 40 degrees and angle COE is unknown and angle BOE is 30 degrees. This is equal to the sum of the three angles is straight line, no? So it is 180 degrees. 40 plus 30 is 70. Therefore, angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70. That is equal to 110 degrees. So this angle is 110 degrees, right? Now we want reflex of angle COE. Reflex of angle COE. That means this angle is 110. Reflex angle is the remaining angle. That means like this. The remaining angle is this one, no? Except this angle COE. So how do you find this reflex angle? 360 degrees minus angle COE. 360 minus 110. That is 250 degrees. This is the reflex angle of COE. Just I will give you time. Meanwhile, I will change the ink. Yeah, just I want to fill the ink, right? Okay. Now coming to the fourth question, my dear students. In the given figure, XY and M and R, fourth question in exercise 4.2, XY and MN are intersect at O. These two are intersect at O, and angle POY. What is POY here? This is P, this is O, and this is Y. Is 90 degrees. A is to B. This is A and this is B. This A is to B is equal to is to 3. And this is angle C. This is angle C, remaining part. Yeah. Find angle C. Okay, look here, my dear students. Here, this A is to B is to 3. Actually, angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degrees here. This is 90. Why? This angle is given 90 degrees, so xy is a straight line. Therefore, the remaining angle A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. This angle is 90, the remaining angle is 90. Why? This xy representing a straight line. Okay. Now, angle A is to angle B. Both angles are in the ratio 2:3. So, sum of the angles, sum of the ratio is what? 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. Now I want angle A. Angle A means 2 by 5 into 90. How many times here? In 90. 1 5 is 5. 4 0 18 times. So 18 2s are 36 degrees. So this angle is 36 degrees. What about angle B, my dear students? 3 by 5 into 90. 5 in 90, 18 times. 18 3s are 54 degrees. So this is 36 and this is 54 degrees. Okay. See, my dear students, this MN is a straight line. MN is a straight line. Therefore, angle B plus angle C is also equal to 180 degrees. They are linear pair. Okay. But we know what is angle B. That is 54 degrees. Plus angle C is equal to 180. Therefore, angle C is equal to 180 minus 54. 180 minus 54, that is what? 26 degrees. Therefore, angle C is equal to 26 degrees. Right. So, this is 26.